The beast. That is the GL63 AMG. Look how big it is. This car sounds amazing. I think it looks quite nice. It's huge on the inside, and this one here at Trade Price Cars, it's up for £42,995. It's got about £10,600 worth of factory fitted extras. What's it like to drive? Before we drive it, let's talk about those extras that I mentioned. Now, one of them, the most important one for me in terms of practicality, is the electric adjustable seats, the rear seats. So look how easy it is doing this. That seat moves forward, that folds up, and then we're in. Easy as that. I've even got a DVD player. That's an extra. 21-inch alloy wheels, another extra. You know I'm a fan of practicality, and it doesn't just stop at those seats up there. Look at this. Boom. Touch of a button, seat goes down. Touch of a button, seat goes down. And then we've got this flat load space. Right, just started it up. And before you get going, I recommend giving it a little... Oh, that noise. Now, this one has around about 44,000 miles on it, between 44 and 45,000 miles on the clock, and this is a V8 bi-turbo 5.5 litre engine that powers this, which means it goes when you put your foot down. It really does. I feel like I'm the biggest thing on the road right now. I feel such in a lofted position. I'm looking down on all of the traffic. We've also got a nice sort of chrome effect here, all leather stitched around here, and the all black leather trim is an extra, and we've got AMG in the seats there as well. It's a really nice place to be. The infotainment system, again, very, very easy to use. Via the rotary control system. It's not touchscreen. This is a 65 plate. You buy this car for the luxury feel when you're in it, and the fact that it can go to 60 miles per hour in 4.9 seconds.